everyone, here is Shanshan Liu, glad to give you a brief introduction of our recent work, Extracting Material Surfaces Procedure, a research on relation level. In this work, we focus on the relation extraction part of automatic extraction of procedure from literature. Comparing to the related works, our procedure dataset has a much simpler data structure but already covers all necessary information. We consider cross-sentence relations that my source work doesn't. About extraction methods, we build a sentence-level classifier to locate the sentence describing the procedure, selected fewer irrelevant sentences than extracting paragraphs. Our NER model is quite different from Kim's work, and we focus on the extraction of the entire procedure. We have done experiments of two models in two scenarios. Scenario 1 is the standard relation extraction task. Outloop and StarPDR were applied. Outloop predicts the relation type of each entity pair, while StarPDR links each entity to its head and predicts the relation type while linking. Scenario 2 is procedure extraction. Inputs of relation extracted are extracted sentences sequence with predicted entity labels. When we have precise entity information and only considering the sentence with gold entities, Outloop can achieve a good result of 93% F1 score. Limited by NER model, relation extraction models cannot achieve a recall close to the precision in Scenario 2. Overall, StarPDR's performance fails to exceed Outloop. We think StarPDR can get better if we change the attention mechanism and decoder, since StarPDR model's output and decoding process are closer to the procedure. That's all. Thanks.